So right now I'm wearing the wireless earphone and it sounds good. Not so good, but okay. You still get what you want. With this cheap price, I think it's really worth it. I'm wearing hijab, as you can see. Here it's not really showing. I'm wearing something on my ear, and I still can hear the road properly. But for your information, I'm wearing it one side. Yeah, one side. This side don't have it. This, you can see. I don't know if you can see. So now I'm testing the voice detect on this earphone too. Alright, bye. So I just listened to the previous recorded video that I shot while walking on the road, and now I'm really satisfied with the good quality of my voice that it's recorded. I never made any call with anyone with this earphone, but I think I can expect it will be good. It will be good. So that's my review.